Lesson 5. Rocks and Minerals. Our earth is made up of soil and rocks. The sand and soil we see all around are made up of tiny pieces of rocks. We find layers of rocks under the soil and sand. When we observe a piece of rock with a magnifying glass, we find that it is made up of small grains. These small grains are minerals. All rocks on the earth are made up of minerals. Some rocks contain only one mineral, others contain many minerals. Types of rocks. Rocks on the earth are formed in 3 different ways. According to their formation, rocks are divided into 3 categories: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Igneous rocks. The center of the earth is made of hot molten rock. This hot molten rock inside the earth is called magma. When a volcano erupts, this magma flows out onto the surface of the earth. The magma that reaches the surface of the earth is called lava. This lava cools down and later solidifies to form igneous rocks. The word igneous means fire. Types of igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are of different types depending on how the magma cools down. Different igneous rocks have different minerals and colors. Basalt. It is an igneous rock formed by the rapid cooling of lava on the Earth's surface. It is dense and dark in color and has fine grains. The edges of this rock are very sharp. This is also called as scoria rock. Basalt is used to make asphalt, a material which is used to pave roads. Granite. It is formed when magma cools below the Earth's surface. The 3 main minerals in granite are quartz, feldspar and mica. It is the most common type of igneous rock. It may be black, grey, white or pink in color. The color of granite depends upon the content of its feldspar. Uses. It is very hard and therefore used for flooring of houses, making statues and paving roads. Pumice. It is light, grey or cream-colored rock formed by the cooling of lava. It is the only rock that can float. It has many holes made by the air trapped inside it at the time of its formation. It is also used as a scrubbing stone to remove rough dead skin from the body. Dentists use powdered pumice for polishing our teeth. Obsidian. It is formed by quick cooling of lava. It looks like glass and is black or dark in color. Use. Due to its sharp edges, it is used in making or cutting of jewelry. Sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are formed from pebbles, sand, mud or clay that get deposited in seas and oceans. Repeated heating and cooling of mountainsides by rains, wind and sunlight wear down rocks. These small pieces of rocks are carried down by rivers and strong winds into lakes and seas. They sink to the bottom and settle down to form layers called sediments. As time passes, more sediments build up. It presses down the lower layers. The continuous pressure upon the lower layers hardens them into rock. Such rocks are called sedimentary rocks. The major portion of the Earth's surface is covered with sedimentary rocks. Types of sedimentary rocks. Sandstone. It is formed when small particles of sand get compressed and cemented together. Sandstone consists mostly of a mineral called quartz. Sandstone is widely used for making buildings. Many of our old buildings in Delhi, Agra and Rajasthan are made of sandstones. The Red Fort of Delhi is made of sandstones. Conglomerate. It is a solid mass of pebbles, sand and gravel cemented together with minerals like silica and calcium carbonate. It is mostly orange or grey in color. It can withstand weathering. Use. It is used in construction and for polishing ornaments. Shale. It is a smooth sedimentary rock formed when layers of clay harden. It is used to make tiles and bricks. Limestone. Limestone is made up of a mineral called calcite. This mineral comes from shells of sea creatures. When shells and skeletons of millions of tiny sea creatures settle down in the seabeds, they form layers. These layers harden to form limestone. Chalk is a limestone rock. Cement and lime are also made using limestones. It is also used in making glass and for separating pure metals from their ores. Gypsum rocks. It is a soft rock made of sulfate minerals. Uses. It is used to make plaster of Paris, casts, molds, and false ceilings. Metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic means has changed. Metamorphic rocks are formed from igneous or sedimentary rocks. When these rocks are subjected to immense heat or pressure inside the earth, the mineral contents of these rocks change. These changed rocks are known as metamorphic rocks. The changes make them harder and tougher. Types of metamorphic rocks. When limestone, a sedimentary rock, undergoes several changes, it forms marble. It is found in various colors. It can be carved and polished easily. It is used to make statues and buildings. Slate. When shale, a sedimentary rock, undergoes several changes, it forms slate. It is dark grey in color. It is used in making cement and bricks. Gneiss. When granite, an igneous rock, undergoes many changes, it forms gneiss. During its formation, the minerals within it get separated to form light and dark bands of different colors that can be seen separately. It often glitters because of the presence of shiny mica. Use. It is used for building houses. Quartzite. When sandstone, a sedimentary rock, undergoes several changes, it forms quartzite. It is such a hard rock that it can scratch steel. It is used to make statues. It is also used in making glass and in ceramic industries. Minerals. Minerals are underground natural resources. Some are simple substances and some are complex ones. Rocks are formed of minerals. Gypsum and mica are some common non-metallic minerals. Gold, silver and copper are some metallic minerals. Uses of rocks and minerals. We use various rocks and minerals in our daily life in different ways. We get useful metals from minerals. Different metals are extracted or mined from minerals. A mineral from which metal can be extracted is called an ore. We get iron, aluminium, copper and zinc from hematite, bauxite, copper pyrites and calamine ores. These metals are commonly used for making utensils, machines, furniture, wires, etc. Precious metals like gold and silver are used for making jewelry. We get fuels from rocks and minerals. Coal, petrol, diesel, kerosene, LPG, CNG, etc. are fuels that we use in our daily life. Coal. It is a valuable natural resource. It is a sedimentary rock formed from the remains of plants buried millions of years ago. Due to high temperature and pressure inside the earth, these remains of plants turned into coal. It is widely used for cooking, producing electricity, making plastic, nylon and fertilizers. Petroleum. It is a dark-colored, thick crude oil. It is also called black gold. Petroleum was formed when small plants and animals got buried under the sea millions of years ago. Due to high pressure and temperature, their dead bodies were converted slowly into petroleum. We get LPG, CNG, petrol, diesel and kerosene from petroleum. It is used as a fuel in automobiles and in making chemicals, paints, plastics, fertilizers, medicines, cosmetics. It is also used to produce electricity. Uranium. It is not a mineral but found with minerals. It is used for producing tremendous amount of energy. This energy is called nuclear energy. Atomic power plants use uranium to produce nuclear energy. We get gemstones from rocks. Many minerals are very hard and found in the form of crystals. They are cut and polished into beautiful stones called gemstones. Diamonds, rubies, emeralds and sapphires are some gemstones used in making jewelry.